Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve your dropshipping store with Oberlo. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Shopify account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Apps section. Search for Oberlo in the Shopify App Store. Click on the Oberlo app to access its installation page. Hit that Add App button to begin the installation. Follow the prompts to connect Oberlo to your Shopify store. After installation, open the Oberlo dashboard. Here, you'll find options to browse and import products. Use the search bar to find products that fit your niche. Select a product to view more details. Check the product descriptions and images to ensure quality. To import a product, click the Import button. Once imported, navigate back to your Shopify admin. Go to the Products section to find your newly imported items. Edit the product details to match your branding. Add unique descriptions to attract customers. Set competitive pricing strategies for your products. Consider adding variants, like sizes or colors, if applicable. After customizing, click Save to update your product listings. Next, focus on your store's design for a professional look. Choose a clean, user-friendly theme from Shopify's theme store. Customize your theme to reflect your brand's identity. Ensure your navigation is intuitive for easy browsing. Check that your store is mobile responsive to accommodate all devices. Now, set up essential store pages like About, Contact, and FAQ. These pages enhance customer trust and provide important information. Utilize Oberlo's analytics tools to monitor your sales performance. Regularly check for trending products in your niche. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.